Hello everyone, this is Rocky. So in this video, I will show you our newest 4K scalar switcher. And right now we already got the setup. So we start from the unit. Right now you can see here is the unit of the 4K scalar switcher. And this is the front panel. So on the front panel, we can see we have some indicators to show the current switching status. And also we have one button here to do the resolution switching up to 4K 60 Hz and down to 720p. And this part is going to be the buttons for the source switching. We have 5 source input, DP, 3 HDMI, and 1 VGA, and also a button for the O2 or upgrade. So on the rear panel, we can see here right now we already got 1 DP input, 3 HDMI input, and 1 VGA input with the 3.5 audio embedded, and a USB for the upgrade, RS-232, one HDMI output to this monitor here. And also we have 3.5 audio embedded to this speaker and the power supply. So right now we can do the switching using the front panel. I just simply press the buttons to do the switching between the 5 sources. So just simply press the button, then we can do the switching. Plus, for the switching, we also can use this remote to do the switching. And we just press 5. And also we can do the resolution selection. We have the 4K 60 Hz. And also we have the 4K 30. So we actually can see the resolution on the TV. And also we have the 720p. So right now we actually have the source input 5 is actually the VGA. So we can check out right now the resolution, the output resolution is actually 720p, and we can see the words on the display is not that clear. So we can just switching back to the upscaling to the 4K 60 Hz. So now we can check out the resolution. It's going to be 4K 60 Hz. And we can see the words on the TV is actually very clear. And also we have the 3.5 audio embedded for the VGA, and also we have the 3.5 audio embedded to this speaker. Actually right now we can hear the sound is coming out from the speaker. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you like this video and this product.